Hi everyone, and welcome back to The Balanced Bite. Today I'm making a recipe inspired by Entertaining with Beth's pain d'épices. Pain d'épices is a classic French spice bread, and I put my own twist on it by using a little different chocolate. This is a perfect festive treat to ring in the new year. So if that said, let's go ahead and get baking. To begin with, add 1 stick of butter to a saucepan. This recipe, pain d'épices, is a traditional French recipe, and the reason it's so sweet and wonderful is because it uses this much honey. Instead of sugar, they use 2/3 of a cup of honey, so we're going to add that to the melted butter. And there. And then we're going to add orange marmalade. If you've never had that, this is delicious. You got to try it. And that's a 1/2 cup of orange marmalade. Then, for a little bit more sweetness and a little bit more texture, we're going to add the brown sugar. Okay. We're going to give that a stir. And then to thin it out a little bit, we're going to put some of the water, 1/2 cup of water. Now add your hot liquid to a separate bowl. Okay, so it's important that you let this cool for a while because we're going to put chocolate in here, and we don't want it to melt right away. We want it to incorporate nicely. So we're going to let this cool, and then we're going to work on our dry ingredients. So first add your 1 teaspoon of salt, then your 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and give that a really good whisk together so that everything combines. Now for spices, we have 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of anise seed, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. Go ahead and put that all into the mixture, and again, whisk it really well together. Now add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil to your mixture and stir well. So we're going to add these in thirds. I did a third, now I'm going to do another third. And this is just to incorporate the liquid really well into the batter. You guys, if you could smell this, this spice combination, oh my gosh. It does smell like gingerbread, but you know what makes it different? The anise. I loved anise. I couldn't find it this time. I was so happy that we were able to get the anise star, and by mixing it up, it's just amazing. It smells so good. I'm like addicted to licorice now. The smell of licorice is basically what it smells like. I hope you like licorice, but even if you don't, try this cake. I know it's going to be amazing. I never had pain d'épices. It just looks so good on Beth's YouTube channel, and I'm telling you, it smells delicious. I can't wait to eat it. It looks, like I said, it's kind of got like a caramel color going on right there. Almost done. Add the last batch of this. And that orange marmalade, there's so many great pieces to this cake. It's just amazing. And you don't even need a food processor. You can just do it by hand, like the old-fashioned way. Okay, so we're almost done mixing this together. We really want to incorporate the flour, though, really well. And by doing each step, like putting the baking powder and the salt and then mixing it, you're guaranteed that things are going to be well mixed, and that's really important. Okay, so last but certainly not least, I have my chocolate. Now I used the Hershey Kisses. I wanted to use bittersweet chocolate, but I hate wasting things and I never use these for Christmas. So what I did is I just cut these up, and this is a cup, and I'm just gonna put them in the batter. And I'm just gonna give that a nice stir again to incorporate that. Oh my gosh. Really, this is beautiful. Thank you, Beth. Okay. And there, you guys, is our batter. Okay, now go ahead and get out a loaf pan, spray it with some Pam spray and flour, then put your batter in there. I kind of had to do it slowly because my hand was killing me. Bake for an hour at 350. Hey guys, this is how the bread turned out. It's just beautiful, beautiful color, came out perfectly from the pan. So now we're going to decorate it, and what we're going to do is take some orange marmalade that we heated up just to give it a little bit of shine and give it a little bit more flavor. So we just want to add it to the top here. This isn't just for Christmas or New Year's. Mine's going to be a New Year's cake, but you could use it for a woman's lunch. You could bring it to a family event. I mean, it's really versatile, but the flavors really do kind of speak holiday. So it is really good for the holiday, but you have other options as well. So keep that in mind. Oh wow, this is so beautiful like this. Wow. This color just gives it an extra level of, I would say, sophistication. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna decorate it, and this is very French. So we're gonna put a little bit of greenery here, pine cone in the middle right there. And then we're going to take our cinnamon stick. We're just going to place it right here, right there. And then we're going to put our oranges that we candied. And if you can see it right here, I'm going to have to point the camera in that direction. Right there. I'm going to bring this back a little bit. My greenery's kind of taken over here, but still very pretty. And then another orange here. Really beautiful bread that you can take anywhere, and you're going to impress all your guests, and it tastes amazing. Hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you try this, and have a happy and bon année this year. Happy 2025. Please like, comment, and please consider subscribing to my channel. I produce healthy recipes 80% of the time, and 20% of the time indulgences like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.